Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a quick 1 to 2 minute dive into Mr Sculpt Gorilla Bar, breaking it down, what it is, what it promises, and whether it's legit or just hype. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available information and own opinion. According to the official website, the Gorilla Bar claims to help you build strength 68.9% faster using isometric and variable resistance training. Sculpt a more defined body in as little as 20 minutes a day. Use adjustable resistance, ideal for beginners and athletes. Train everywhere, home, office, even on the go. Comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee plus free worldwide shipping and a 1-year warranty. User testimonials on the site praise its portability, ease of use, and quick results for chest and arm workouts. On Reddit, someone said you get ripped by losing body fat, which is with diet and cardio. Chest strengthening does nothing if your chest muscles are covered by layers of fat. So while the bar may activate muscles, its true definition requires fat loss through proper diet and cardio. So for the final verdict, is it legit? The Gorilla Bar seems credible. It uses real exercise principles like variable resistance, is portable, and backed by a solid return policy. But the results? It can help tone and strengthen, but only as a part of a broader fitness plan. You can spot reduce fat, so diet and cardio are essential. Scam? Not really, but it's also not a magic chest transforming wand. Expect a helpful tool, but not an instant abs. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.